What's up everybody, my name is Kevin, and today we're going to be learning a fun pattern that's going to level up your bachata game. You can use this at any social, it's completely leadable, and you can impress some of your friends. So if you got your basic steps and you got your basic turns, this tutorial is for you. So this video was part of a class that we recently did here in our local town. Here are the counts so you can follow along, and we throw in some helpful tips to make it smooth. But if you need further explanation, comment below exactly what part, whether it was your first 8 count, the second 8 count, or the third 8 count, or whatever count that you had the most trouble with, comment below and let me know so I can make a video for you and help you nail it. So let's get started.
7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, scoop under 1, 2, 3, 4, prep 5, 6, 7, 8, thumb and palm, 1, 2, catch 3, 4, sharp 5, 6, caress 7, 8. Remember, leaders, you're not touching the follower's body, you're just on the outside of the wrist and the follower is caressing her own body, middle fingers. We go 5, 6, 7, 8, rock forward 1, 2, switch to grip, 3, 4, right? We lift up with our chest, 5 and 7, 8, rock forward one more time, 1, 2, 3, 4, double turn, 5, 6, 7, 8, basic 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
And that's it. So now you know the simple pattern that you can add to your bachata repertoire. Also, feel free to go back and re-watch it again if you need to. And this is what it looks like during our bachata demo. We can go into further details if you need to. Comment below exactly what it is that you're having trouble with, and I can help you out. Or you can message me privately and we'll talk about it. And if you want to watch a full video of that demo, the video link will be in the description below. Like this video and subscribe for more dance content. And I'll see you in a dance floor.